Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Long-running operations and stashing guidance in GitHub, addressing guidance 3071. GitHub's guidance 3071, or similar internal guidance relating to long-running operations, generally advises against performing lengthy operations directly within the context of a typical GitHub Actions workflow. These operations can cause workflows to time out, leading to incomplete work and wasted resources. This tutorial will explore the problem, illustrate solutions, and specifically show how to handle long-running tasks effectively using stashes. Understanding the problem, long-running operations in GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions workflows have a time limit. Exceeding this limit results in workflow cancellation. Long-running operations, such as extensive data processing, analyzing large data sets, performing complex calculations. Resource-intensive tasks, compiling large projects, running simulations. External API interactions, making numerous requests to slow or unreliable APIs. Can easily surpass this limit. This leads to several issues. Workflow failure, the workflow prematurely stops before completing the operation. Resource wastage, GitHub resources are consumed without producing a result. Inconsistency, partial results might be unreliable and difficult to manage. Solutions, handling long-running operations. Several strategies can address this. 1. Breaking down the operation, divide the large task into smaller, manageable chunks. Each chunk can be a separate step in the workflow, allowing for intermediate checkpoints and better error handling. 2. Using external resources, leverage external services, like Cloud Functions, example AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, Azure Functions, dedicated compute instances, example EC2, VMS, or even schedule jobs, cron jobs, to perform the long-running operation. The GitHub workflow can trigger these external services and later retrieve the results. 3. Stashing intermediate results, this approach uses Git stash feature to temporarily save the work in progress without committing it. This is particularly useful when the operation involves modifications to the repository's files. The workflow can stash changes, perform the long-running operation externally, and then apply the stashed changes after the operation completes. This method minimizes the time spent within the GitHub Actions workflow itself. Example, stashing and external processing with Python. Let's illustrate the stashing approach with a Python example. We'll simulate a long-running operation that modifies files and then use stashes to handle it within a GitHub Actions workflow. 1. Python script, long_running_task.py. 2. GitHub Actions workflow, main.yml. Explanation ***. The workflow first checks out the code. It creates an input.txt file. The git stash push command saves the changes to a stash. Then it uses a GitHub script action to trigger an external deployment. This deployment would ideally launch a process, example in AWS Lambda, or another workflow, that would perform long_running_task.py. The external process should then write output.txt to the repository. The code for this part is omitted as it varies greatly based on your external service. Ensure the script has right permissions. Finally, git stash pop restores the stashed changes. Important considerations Error handling Implement robust error handling in both your Python script and the GitHub Actions workflow to catch and report issues during the long-running operation. External service integration. Carefully design the integration between your workflow and the external service. Ensure secure communication and proper result retrieval. Credentials should not be hard-coded. Security. Never expose sensitive information, API keys, passwords, directly in your workflow files. Use GitHub secrets to store and access such information securely. Scalability. Choose an external service that can scale to handle the demands of your long-running operation. This tutorial provides a basic framework. You'll need to adapt it based on your specific long-running operation, chosen external service, and security requirements. Remember that prioritizing breaking down tasks into smaller units is almost always a valuable step, regardless of the approach you take. Using stashes helps ensure that only the essential steps take place inside the limited time frame of the main GitHub Actions workflow.